Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Perlin Noise shape in the Surface Noise node. Start with a Surface Noise project. Set the debug shader to albedo. I'll set the density to 0.01 to show the individual patches. Set the shape type to Perlin Noise. Frequency increases the number of Perlin waves. Image tiles affects the randomness of the Perlin Noise shapes, adding more variation. Increase the density. Set mask to 1 to blend the noise shapes. Increase the density. Set the frequency. The UV rotation attributes rotate the Perlin shapes around their alignment direction. This is how to use the Perlin Noise shape in the Surface Noise node. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Discord, Twitter, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.